Hey guys, BS Garage here. Hey, sorry I never got a video out last weekend. I had to run in and help my parents. My dad got hurt and everything. I want to show you what we got going on. Got home from work today. Cleaned up the shop the best I could. Got a buddy bringing his pickup truck here Friday. We're going to take the bed and stuff off of it. But we went out and took Danielle out. We scrubbed all the black mold off of her. Try to get all the flakes and clear coat flakes off to get it ready for the patina. Wipe on clear. But while I was down there, brought the wood boards back. We got to plane them down. They're a little thick. There's oak and cherry. I think I'm going to do every other one, give it a little red look inside, and then oak. And then we're going to stain it try to get it like a goldish color. Try to. I don't know what color yet, but we got the rear bumper brackets off. I got them all marked. Show you what we got done so far. Got the mirrors back on it. Everything's kind of just crammed in it. But got the rear tailgate done. It opens and works. Window rolls down. I gotta get a new handle here, but she's looking pretty good. Man, the gold license plates and all this patina, it's gonna look really good once we do the wipe on clear. This turned white when I did the rust proofing. The other ones didn't. I don't know why. I might have to sand on that a little bit. But I'll show you what we got going on. With the bumper on here. Alright. Here's the bumper bracket. It bolts about right there. I marked it. Now with the bumper bolting here, the edge of the back of the bumper sits there. So we got like a 3-finger gap, which is about 3 inches. So what we're going to do, I think we're going to follow this line right here. I'm going to cut the edge of this off and then re-drill 2 holes and bring it in close, bring that bumper in close. But I'm going to cut off a little bit as I can. So we're going to go right here at the edge of these, cut this off, put it on there, drill 1 hole and see if we're close. I don't want to take too much, and then we'd be hitting that new roll pan or cross member we put in. As you can see, we lowered it. Hitch ain't very far off the ground, which we're going to be using that hitch, so I'm not getting rid of it. But old girl's looking good. Got the top scrubbed good. Got all the black off. She looks pretty good. But we got a new set of tires for it. We got all the stuff to redo the rear end, and we got all the stuff to do the wood floor. So after this weekend, we're going to I got all the body mount bushings too. We're gonna do all the body mounts, put all new ones on, and then we're gonna finish the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and front bumper here. It sticks out pretty far too. I might go get in there and suck the bumper into the body a little bit more too on the back, on the front, just as I do on the back. And then we're gonna start on the wood floor and then put all the panels back together. And then I do have, I think, I got one small little rust hole in one of the cross members that I didn't realize until we started beating around and replacing everything. But I'll show you which one what it looks like. This is the fans to her. This is the pieces of a 6-foot truck bed. These cross members right here look the same. This tip right here is rotted out on that one side. They look the same. I think if I go through and knock all these spot welds out, I might just replace the whole thing instead of just trying to patch it. If they're the same. If not, we'll try to cut this up a little bit to patch that hole. But and then like I showed you a minute ago on the rear, you guys are in a square body, you know. Look at this gap. Thing about going in here, I like to bring this in just enough where it's a little bit of paint showing. Maybe to this right here, not right there. If I can bring that in about 2 inch, inch and a half, something like that, I think it'd look good. And then rest of his interior. Man, I can't wait. Can't wait to start cruising this around. I appreciate it, guys. I really apologize for not getting a video out last weekend. We kind of got the 57 uncovered while I was down there visiting my dad and mom. Kind of got a path made out somewhat. We'll see how it goes. I think we're going to try to get a video on dragging it out, but we'll see. When I go down there, it's so busy with all my family and kids and my brother's kids and just so many people around all the time, so it's hard to video. But yeah, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you Friday.